How to add a GIF to the Shopify product page. My name is Elias and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually add GIFs onto your Shopify product page. Now to get started you will have to head over to the Shopify dashboard and then to the products, and then you will obviously just have to select the product that you want to edit. Now as for this video I will just select this oversized t-shirt right here, and by the way this is just a test store that I'm going to use. So to get started right here, you can see all of your product information, and now you will basically want to head over to a site called Giphy, and Giphy is basically just a place where you can find all sorts of different kind of GIFs. So let's for example say that we want to add this GIF right here. So I will just select it. So let's go for this one. Now obviously you would have to use a GIF that is going to suit your overall product. And by the way, if you have your own custom GIF, you can also just simply upload it to Giphy right here. So once you found your GIF, you will just have to click on embed on the right, and then you can either choose if you want to have if you want your GIF to be responsive. Now I would generally recommend you to just leave this off, and then you will have to copy the code, and then you will have to head back to the Shopify product. And then, now this is super important, you don't want to paste this into the product description right here. You actually want to click on show HTML right here. Then you want to start a new line, and then you want to paste it in, and then you will basically just want to click on save on the top right. So once this is updated, you can actually click on view on the top right, and now it is going to take a bit. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, the GIF successfully got added onto the Shopify product page. However, there's actually one downside to this. As you can see, when we are going to hover over the GIF, this is actually going to open up, and then this actually can be used to get redirected to Giphy. Now, if you don't want to have this, you will basically want to head over to the GIF once again, and then you would have to download the GIF. So for me, I'm just going to save this image, and then I will just save it onto my computer. And you would then just have to delete the code from right here. Then you would have to change back to the normal editor. And right here you can then upload your GIF just as a normal image file using this icon right here. Then you will just have to upload a file. As you can see, now we will just have to select it and insert the image onto our description. And now it successfully got added. Now we can press on save. And now we can actually head over to our page, and as you can see, if we are now going to refresh it, it actually got added onto our store but without Giphy. Now that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.